Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying ID and consent and checking contrast allergy. Do this every time. Next, load the machine preset that matches the protocol. Adjust K, V, and M from the baseline to suit body habitus. Once done, position the target area within 1/2 centimeter of ISO center, secure immobilization, and apply shielding. You do this now so subsequent steps focus on image quality and safety. Making these choices early prevents repeat exposures and speeds the workflow. You now switch to advanced acquisition. Enable spectral or dual energy if the study requires material separation, and choose an energy split percent that balances contrast and noise. Then, set iterative reconstruction to a moderate level, 3 to 5, to cut dose without losing diagnostic detail. Also, engage ROI dose modulation and frame averaging for subtle, low-contrast findings. These reduce noise where needed while keeping overall exposure down. Make sure to preview histograms and adjust parameters iteratively to finish by running the standard reconstruction and then apply targeted post-processing, bone, soft tissue, and gentle edge enhancement to highlight pathology. You should compare against prior studies and tweak window and level for clarity. Record any parameter changes in the report. If artifacts remain, troubleshoot. Look for patient motion, verify detector calibration, and inspect collimation. If none of those fix it, repeat the acquisition with corrected positioning and slightly higher M or shorter exposure to eliminate the artifact while monitoring dose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.